This is the all-new iPad AirMax Pro, one of the most revolutionary devices to have come out from Apple this past decade. And guess what? We got our hands on it, and we're going to be testing it out for this week. One of my favorite features so far is the fact that this tablet opens and closes thanks to a motorized chassis that works super smoothly whenever you decide to get near or just even look at the device. It's kind of actually creepy. This tablet also comes equipped with not 1 or 2 or even 3 or 4, but 5 cameras, making this the most amount of cameras available on any tablet today. Using the same technology that powers SpaceX, Apple has made this tablet 25% thinner, 50% lighter, and has the ability to hold its own suspended in air. The ultimate portable and hands-free experience. I feel like they're still working out a few kinks, but thanks to software updates, I expect this to be a lot smoother in the near future. Overall, I'm pretty satisfied so far, and it's just a unique experience being able to go from standing to sitting down on the couch and watching the same movie, all without having the cumbersome experience of having to carry your tablet. My wife tried this feature out and instantly fell in love. Not only that, but being able to just not even worry about finding notches or grooves to lift up a tablet and instead welcoming you with that bright, beautiful liquid retina display. Yeah, this has to be one of my favorite experiences. Not only that, but they've pumped in a brand spanking new M2 chip, which boasts a whopping 300% performance increase from last year's and even earlier this year's M1 chip. I haven't been able to confirm the performance just yet with a benchmark test, but on paper, this should be faster than most desktops and even Apple's very own MacBook Pro, thus giving this tablet the well-deserved nickname, the Macbook Pro Killer. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about this tablet or even the process of making this video, make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and sign up for our email list so you don't miss out on any updates from the Apple devs.